shaft, man. Oh, that would make a horse jealous. Alright folks, welcome back to another video. So behind me, a lot pile of RD4. And today what we're going to try and do, well, first off we got to teeter-totter the teeter-totterer back to the teeter-totter side. So it's teetered now, it's got to totter. And then we'll take the top cover off the transmission. And we'll try to get all them old, worn out, disgusting looking 100-year-old gears out of it. Because we have another gear case, we're going to swap the gears into this one. So let's teeter the totter. Now it looks like a ram just head down, ready to fight somebody. Look at that thing. So I think the teeter-totter has tottered a little too hard and is now hitting the tracks, and I need to be able to roll this thing to get the final drives apart. So I'm gonna have to bring it back a little to the teeter side, you know, a couple inches of teeter, so it's not tottering on the tracks. But before we do that, we can get the gear case off the back. Alright, now that that stuff's off, I think we got our first step is try to get this clutch out of here. That's going to be fun. Alright, so here's the plan. We're going to undo this bolt here, this bolt down here. That way this yoke comes free from the clutch assembly. We'll get the clutch assembly out of the way, and then we'll remove the yoke assembly out of our way. Well, that's supposed to be tighter than that. Oops. Let's see if this one's small. Oh, I have to get a crescent wrench on it. I tightened the crates out of this because it came loose on me once. Oh, come on. Get some leverage on it. There that is. So this hoop should be ready. I'll get in there and lift that clutch out. is. Put that there. Now I'm trying to decide if I actually need to go through the trouble of getting this all the way out or not. there's a bolt in here. Thread this back in so it don't get lost. I'm still confused. That shaft has to go out the back, wouldn't it, huh? So I was thinking the shaft had to go out forward, but there's no way that can work because we have gears on it and a pinion that doesn't come off the back. So that shaft has to go straight out the back side. Which changes our whole plan. Because that means we have to get this rear drive taken apart first. Okay. Yeah, that kind of changes everything. So the winch got to come out. So then these cross shafts can come out, and then the whole clutch assembly can come out. So I guess new plan, first things first, undo that cable clamp. Didn't plan on that happening. I'm sure it'll go falling back the other way as soon as I get the weight of this winch off the back. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Nope. You wire snack. Snack. That's a big snack. There we go. Okay. Stepped on a barking spider. Oh man, the Taco John's is talking to me. Alright, let's try and get these bolts out. There's one down under here. Yep. That one says no. I'm probably going to leave these top two for now till I get the tractor on it.
Imagine all you guys can see is my fat head. Gross. Alright, let's zip out this final winch bolt. Come on. Well, that was very anticlimactic.
I was expecting something to happen there. To at least wiggle it a bit. Maybe I'll wiggle it with the tractor and see what happens. Another bolt somewhere? I'm no expert, but I think that's how you do it. Oh, look at that shaft, man. Oh, that would make a horse jealous. That thing. Dang. Oh, there, see. There's the welds that self-clearance themselves on the ring gear. If you watched my earlier video, you know what I'm talking about. Alrighty then. Now I gotta get these cross shafts out. Alright guys, so while I was editing this video, I realized that I had way too much footage and it was gonna be like 2 hours long. So we're gonna have to break this up into probably 3 sections is what I'm thinking. 3 or 4 episodes are gonna be split out of this. So what you just watched here up until me getting the winch off, that's our first clip. So stay tuned for the next videos. I'll pull those cross shafts and then we pull the gears out and I make lots of stupid jokes as I do. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see the rest of them, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a dime, really helps me out. That's what I appreciate.